Hi everyone! I would like to share a small Valentine folio I created. I used Michael's black cardstock and this red Recollections cardstock and these two Michael's paper collections, Be My Valentine and Sweet on You. This is the album. It measures 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 and it's 3/4 of an inch thick. This cut apart is from the paper collection. It has a ribbon closure. It opens this way. It has a waterfall. And the other waterfall on the other side. The folio is the same on both sides. In the center, it has this gatefold. Here I have a booklet, and the acetate sheet is like an open pocket holding in the booklet. Well, this is my small Valentine folio. I will have a tutorial if you'd like to see it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.